hardly catch my breath this morning. Got a little bit upset this morning. Woke up to a broken smoke alarm. If you were here, I know you know what's wrong. Looked to your side of the bed this morning. Saw it play out in my head, the whole thing. In the moment we'd be freaking out, but it'd be something we could laugh about. Damn, we could always fix what was broken except for us. Now I'm at home, right about to call you up, but my feelings are not to be trusted when I'm this lonely. I don't know who else I'm supposed to love. Is it only a moment of weakness I shouldn't believe? If it's just a broken smoke alarm, why is it so hard to breathe? Thought I'd maybe get some sleep, but instead, oh, the beeping wouldn't cease in my head. Why is it always when I think I'm fine, I end up dreaming about when you were mine? You're in my room, it's crystal clear, even though it's been over a year. Who would have thought that would be your last time here? Now I'm at home, right about to call you up, but my feelings are not to be trusted when I'm this lonely. I don't know who else I'm supposed to love. Is it only a moment of weakness I shouldn't believe? If it's just a broken smoke alarm, if it's just a broken smoke alarm.